Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for those that have subscribed and those that have not. I beg, just try me, you hit the subscribe button. So we could go today to read now about Bobrisky. Don't tell us to make it come out from Nigeria. The NCAC director don't tell and say if you want to continue this lifestyle, you gotta leave Nigeria. The Director General of National Council for Arts and Culture (NCAC), Otumba Olusegun, he called on parents to instill African cultures and values of their children so that they go grow to be responsible adults. He also tok say make parents always provide guidance to their children to make sure say dem no go live lifestyle wey go negate African cultures and values in marriage, procreation, moral decency and respect for elders. He also tok say Bobrisky, wey all of us know say na cross-dresser, dey constitute nuisance to Nigeria and African values, and also im dey mislead other youths. According to the National General, he also tok say the 29-year-old social media personality na nothing but disgrace to Nigeria and should not be allowed to dey live dis fake life wey im dey live so. He also tok say, dis time make I quote wetin im tok, im write say, "Do you know that the so-called Bobrisky was going to set up the African chapter of gay and LGBT or whatever they call it in Nigeria during his recent aborted birthday party. People from over 70 countries arrived in Lagos for the event." Hey! He say they gather for Ikoyi, they come dey prepare to launch am. When they come hear am, now they go stop am, they put a stop to the event. He seize all their drinks and food, he come give them to the IDPs. He say if they launch that thing before, no be dis story one we dey talk for here so. He say Nigeria for don destroy since. The Director General also talk say people dey say the man wey all of us know say na cross-dresser Bobrisky, say im get power well well, say anytime when he go Abuja, im dey lodge for big hotel. But im say im no fit stand to see such character wey no come from any of our culture to stand, wey no get value, e no get norms, e no get anything, e no resemble anything for dis country. So e no fit stand to watch am happen. Say if im wan continue dis im way of life, e gats leave Nigeria. Our culture no dey allow all dis kind nonsense thing wey im dey do so. The national director also come dey tell parents say make we no allow our children dey influenced by the character of Bobrisky. Say Bobrisky start by saying e dey sell body cream. Later na im say im get boobs. E come enter into many areas. E come dey even dey insult Nigerian women sef, dey talk say im fine pass Nigerian women. Also for im papa birthday, im dress as a man. Can you imagine? See as dey live fake life. Im talk say dis guy Bobrisky so im dey destroy many Nigerian children. So make we dey very careful if na the next generation women no go get boyfriends, talk less of husband sef, because dis world don dey turn man to man. Men dey stand for street dey wait make people come patronize dem. Can you imagine? Im say NCAC and Federal Ministry of Women Affairs dem go soon meet to deliberate the way forward. Make we sanitize the public, make we know where we dey, where everybody stand. So dis na the news wey I get for una today. Una well done.